Dude, I found my first glitch in the Dragon Ball Z Xenoverse game. Look at this, won't let us lock on. We're stuck. Won't let us go through the portal. Guess we whipped the bosses too fast. They won't let us go through. Mission number 55, what? Won't let us lock on. Let me through. Me or none of my teammates that I found online can get through. Oh, will it let us through? It says open field. Let's see. Finally. Nope. Look at that. Put us right back here. What a glitch. Come on, Dibs. Watch this, watch this. Watch this. Open field. Open field. Let's get closer. No, it won't even let me. Just circle, circle. Look at that. Circle. Stand in front of it. It won't do anything. What a glitch, folks. And then it goes away. Oh.